All right. So that was talking about the components. Now I want to talk about design, okay? Because it's really important that a sprayer be designed well. And when I say design well, what do I mean? It's got to be designed so that you can use it easily every day. It has to help you do your job. It's got to be designed for productivity. You know, it doesn't matter how good a sprayer or what sprayer you purchase, it's going to need maintenance. And so it's got to be designed for maintenance. If you've got a sprayer that is so hard to do maintenance on, you're never going to do maintenance, and it's just going to fall apart. It's going to turn into a boat anchor in no time. So it's got to be designed for maintenance, and it's got to be designed for repairs, because we're pumping harsh chemicals through these sprayers. We're using them in, you know, it's 120 degrees outside. It's probably 140, 150 on the truck. We're pumping harsh chemicals 8, 10, 12 hours a day. We're not always gentle with them. We're really using this equipment hard. We got to think about maintenance before we need to do the maintenance. We got to think about the repairs before it's time to do the repairs. And you go, uh-oh, how do I do that? Okay? So here's some examples. This was a backpack. A customer got this backpack for free because they bought some chemical, okay? And can you see the bend there? You see the kink in the hose? I mean, they from the first day they used this backpack sprayer, they were having problems, and they asked us to fix it. We can't fix that. It's a bad design, and at the price of free, you pay too much because you've been stopping and you can't do your job, okay? So you want to make sure the stuff is well designed.